Okay, children, what you are going to do now is understanding elementary shapes, class 6 mathematics, part 6. Okay, okay. Now, what are these perpendicular lines? Okay, when two lines intersect and angle between them is 90 degree, they are said to be, so two lines are said to be perpendicular. What this means? Here, two lines are intersecting. I have shown in red. No? There are two lines. They are intersecting. Okay, and angle between them is 90 degrees. L shape is coming. That is 90 degree. Then the two are called perpendicular to be each other. Perpendicular lines. What is meaning of perpendicular? When two lines intersect each other, angle found between them is 90 degree. They are said to be perpendicular lines, right? Exercise 5.5 class 6 maths question 1. Which of the following are models for perpendicular lines? Adjacent edges of tabletop, lines of a railway track, line segments forming a letter L, letter V. Okay. See, first answer is yes, the adjacent edges of tabletop are models of perpendicular lines. Yes, adjacent edges of tabletop, they are perpendicular to each other. Examples, that is why they become examples of perpendicular lines. No, the line, second question answer. No, the lines of railway tracks are parallel to each other. So they are not a model for perpendicular lines. Do they intersect railway lines? No, no. They are parallel. Long railway lines you have seen, no, they are parallel. They are not perpendicular. They do not intersect each other. C, answer C. Yes, the two line segments L are model for perpendicular lines. L forms, L shape means 90 degree you are getting, no. That is why the L is an example for perpendicular line. Question D, answer for question D, letter V. V is not a model for perpendicular lines because it does not intersect. That is why they are not model for perpendicular lines. Question exercise 5.5 class 6 maths. Question 2 it is. Okay. Let PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let PQ and XY intersect at point A. What is the measure of PAY? See here what is telling. PQ be the perpendicular to line segment XY. PQ intersects by XY line at A. So P angle PAY is 90 degree. PQ is perpendicular to XY. See, perpendicular symbol is like this, children. It is reverse T. Okay, reverse T is symbol for perpendicular. PQ is perpendicular to XY. Angle PAY is 90 degree. So when the lines are perpendicular to each other, angle formed will be 90 degrees. So this is PQ is perpendicular to XY. So it is intersecting at 90 degrees. So angle PAY is 90 degree because it is a perpendicular line. Okay, there are two set squares in your box. What are the measures of the angles that are formed at their corners? Do they have angle measure that is common? Answer are given. The measure angles of triangle A are 30, 60 and 90. Second one, triangle B, 45, 45 and 90. Common angle is 90 degree. Okay. Solution for question 4 exercise 5.5. Yes. Since C is equal to 2 units and EG is equal to 2 units, C is equal to EG. C is 2 units. EG is also equal to 2 units. So C is equal to EG. B, answer B. For question B, answer is yes, P bisects CJ. C. Required line segments for which P is perpendicular bisector are BG and DF. Line segment for P is perpendicular is BG and DF. So answer for question D is first one true, second is true, third is also true. Now we'll come to classification on triangles. So how many sides are there in a triangle, children? Three sides, no? So this triangle is classified as follows. One, based on sides. Second is based on angle. Based on side, based on angle. So based on side is classified into equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Scalene triangle, all sides are equal. See, I have given pictures of this also. Based on angles, acute angle triangle means if each angle of triangle is less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle triangle. What is acute angle triangle? If each of the angle is less than 90 degrees, it is called acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle, if one of the angle is at 90 degree, it is called right angle triangle. If one of the angle is at 90 degrees, it is called right angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, if one of the angle of triangle is greater than 90 degree, it is called obtuse angle triangle. Again, figures here. Say, pictures of triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Okay. See here pictures. First one, isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. Two angles are equal. Scalene triangle, three sides also unequal. Three angles are unequal. Equilateral triangle, it is 60, 60, 60. All are acute angles. Pictures of right angle, obtuse angle and acute angle triangle. Right angle 90 degree. Obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. Acute angle is less than, all sides will be less than 90 degree. All angles less than 90 degree. Exercise 5.6 question 1. Solution. First question. Length of the sides of triangle are given as 7 cm, 8 cm, 9 cm. Since all sides are given are different, it is a scalene triangle. What is a scalene triangle? I told you, no? All three sides are unequal. Here what is given? 7, 8 and 9. So all three are unequal. It is a scalene triangle. Given that AB is 8.7 cm, AC is 7 cm, BC is 6 cm. So which type of triangle, children, it will be? All sides are unequal here. Therefore, AB is not equal to AC, not equal to BC. So triangle ABC is a scalene triangle. All sides are unequal. See, PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR is 5 cm. All sides are equal. So it is a equilateral triangle. Question D. Given that triangle DFM angle D is 90. So angle D is 90, it is called right angle triangle. Question E answer. Given that in triangle XYZ, M angle Y is 90, XY is equal to YZ. It is a right angle triangle, also isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. XY and YZ are two sides are equal and angle Y is 90 degrees. So it is a right angled isosceles triangle. Given that, question F, solution to that, triangle LMN, M angle L is 30 degree, M angle M is 70 degree, M angle N is 80 degree. All three angles are less than 90 degrees. So which type of triangle it will come? Acute angle triangle. Okay. So name each of the following triangles in two different ways. You may judge the nature of angle by observation. Okay. First triangle, 8 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm. What it is? It is a scalene triangle, right? Scalene triangle it is, and also acute angle triangle. All are less than 90 degree. Second triangle is what? Second triangle, right angle triangle plus scalene triangle because all the three sides are unequal. Third, C. It's a obtuse angle triangle because one angle is greater than 90. Two sides are also equal, so it is isosceles triangle also. The D question, it's a right angle triangle. Two sides are equal, 10 cm, 10 cm. Two are equal. So it's an isosceles triangle and also a right angle triangle. Third one, E question E, 5.2 cm, 5.2 cm, 5.2 cm. It is an equilateral triangle, also a acute angle triangle because all angles are less than 90 degree. And F is what? 10 cm, 15 cm, 9 cm. All sides are unequal, so it is a scalene triangle and also obtuse angle triangle because it is greater than, one angle is greater than 90 degree. Okay. Summary of the lesson. When two lines intersect each other and the angle formed between them is 90 degrees, they are called perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect each other, angle formed between them is 90 degrees, they are called perpendicular lines. Triangles are classified based on sides and angle. According to sides, it is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. According to angle, it is right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. What is equilateral triangle? All sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Scalene triangle, all sides are unequal. And based on angle, right angle triangle, if one of the angle in a triangle is 90 degree, it is called right angle triangle. Acute angle triangle, if all the angles of the triangle less than 90 degree, it is acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, if one angle of triangle is greater than 90 degree, it is called obtuse angle triangle. Okay children, we'll continue the next topic in the next session.